Good morning. It's 8:15 a.m. on the 28th. GameStop is up another $102 overnight pre-market. Everybody wants to know why. Well, let's go to the source. Wall Street bets. So first of all, I'm going to give you the same little quote here. This is Pete from the Small Business Resource Center. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. So don't do anything I say or whatever. But I basically been on this Wall Street bets and Reddit for quite some time. One little thing here is I looked at this and I wasn't sure if this was going to happen. So sometimes you want to kick yourself. But let's look at the bull thesis. It says to date, GameStop play has been pretty simple. Buy and hold, wait for the squeeze. It can come within hours, days, or weeks, and it's been going up and down like crazy. So when you're looking at this, it's very, very interesting because basically the stock was $6, $7 a little while ago, and it went up to 64. And a lot of people in the community here, they've been upset because of all the big businesses that are screwing people over, all the hedge funds that are screwing people over, and all the market manipulation. So there is a company, one of them's Melbourne Capital, that announced that they were shorting GameStop. And of course, Reddit has a huge amount of gamers. I'm a gamer too. And basically, they said they were going to screw all these people over and push the stock to infinity. A couple things have happened, by the way, as far as saying why did this not go to infinity. Multiple times they've halted trading. Yesterday, many people were posting that their app that they use would not let them log in, which was strange. And of course, I think the Dow and the S&P dipped during that time if no one can trade. And also, the basically would not let them trade GameStop. They halted trading on it, so it would not go up really high, which that was the game plan, is to crush all the shorts. Supposedly, Melbourne's Capital has declared bankruptcy. That's what I saw in part of the feed. I don't know if that's true. I didn't look it up. But they're mad at these hedge funds for market manipulation. And maybe not just the hedge funds, maybe it's the government also, because of the fact that what's going on in the economy and the market is affecting everyone. So they said, why should these people profit from suffering? Because there is a lot of suffering going on and they're fighting back. They said, we the people have the power to change what these people are doing. So strategy one, just along for the ride. Basically, if you don't care about GameStop's balance sheet or Cohen's plan turned around and you bought a couple shares, just wait, let it go up. And whatever number is comfortable, they basically said pick a number between 0 and 3 that represents your confidence in the retail market. And then basically that's when you can sell. But they are suggesting prices of 1,000, 1,500 or more. Some people say 3,500. Keep in mind, this is at roughly 500 right now. Very, very interesting. Strategy number 2, basically pants shitting fear. If you got a handful of shares and maybe some options, you're in big. You don't know how much about the squeeze or fundamentals or geeks or anything, but there is a dip. Of course, there's been numerous dips. So it's gone down 5-10%. Then sometimes it flattens or it just shoots back up. A lot of times, like the people have mentioned, the dips seem manipulated because of various apps, eToro, Trade 1212, Ally, a couple different people have posted based on their apps. They could not log in. I think Robinhood also could not log in and also could not trade the stock, specifically being prevented from trading the stock. So if you're doing that, of course, that can cause dips in the market when people are trying to buy. If you were this person, what would you do? I'd sell my options that expire sooner than 30 days at market, open to reduce the number of pairs of pants that I'm going through. I'm just reading this. Keep in mind, this is not me. I keep all my shares longer dated options until the news comes out that the shorts are being liquidated. That means Melbourne Capital has been liquidated, actually, supposedly. That's one of the hedge funds that they were not happy about because they're shorting the stock. But a lot of the problems in the economy are caused by the government policies. They're mad at these hedge funds because they're all profiting from the suffering of people. And follow Wall Street Bets Twitter and rapid fire updates for short volumes. If the short volumes are reported, drops below 50%, sell everything and get out. I'm also maximizing revenue multipliers like 4 or 5 times. 3, diamond hand strategy. If you got bigger balls than most and it's your time to dump a significant fraction of the net worth into a company whose financials you've never looked at, you want to ride into it at its peak. So keep in mind, a lot of people don't know about stocks and everything, and that's why I was a little skeptical. That will be my word. But the stock has been going up drastically. If you look, if you were this person, what would you do? I'd sell weekly opens tomorrow, immediately plow every dollar into those 20 bag returns into shares. And the longer dated options were purchased, Extreme 4, do the same with them. Otherwise, I'd let them ride. Don't sell single share until the final squeeze. When it comes out Melbourne is done, then I'd unload. Of course, that's profit taking. And okay, exit strategy 4. Let's check that out. Okay, this is not really showing an exit strategy. Well, I guess, they're showing somebody's potential gains. So I don't know who posted this. Wow, that's a huge gain, 13,000%. $5 million. This person made like $11 million on this. Well, I don't know. These are the facts. I'm just explaining. This is Pete with the Small Business Resource Center. They also had BlackBerry, from what I understand, and AMC are also going up drastically. That's what they mentioned. So this is Pete with the Small Business Resource Center with news and information. Subscribe for more details, and I'll keep you posted any news. Have a great day.